Can I see your hairline, by the way? Is that something I can do? As I should. Let's see it. Giving indie movie bang removal. Let's see that. Fascinating. It's like someone threw a lace front on a peanut.